So we go to the lymphatic system. So first slide is slide 48. This is lymph node. So the lymph node would be divided into two regions. We have the cortex and the medulla. Okay. So the cortex would be the outer surface, the outer portion. The medulla would be the central portion. So the lymph node would be surrounded by the capsule, and there would be continuation of the connective tissue from the capsule towards the cortex and the medulla, and these are the trabeculae. So bababa siya. You will see some portions going into the medulla. And then there's a sinus that will be seen underneath the capsule, called the marginal sinus or the subcapsular sinus, okay, which would continue down as a trabecular sinus. So the cortex would show the presence of cortical and paracortical areas, or the follicular and parafollicular. When you say follicular, this would refer to the follicular portions. The parafollicular would be the ones adjacent to the follicular areas. So these follicles are of two categories. So they can be labeled as primary or secondary, depending on whether they are activated or not. So the primary follicles would not or does not contain the germinal center, while the secondary follicles would show the germinal center. And it is surrounded by a band of lymphocyte, which is called the mantle zone. So you can see the delineation between the germinal center and the mantle zone. So the follicles would contain the B lymphocytes. The parafollicular areas would contain the T lymphocytes. And then for the medullary portion, we have the presence of the medullary sinuses, which would contain histiocytes, and they are separated by medullary cords. So the cords would contain connective tissue, and then you also have lymphocytes and histiocytes. So as you can see in the meshwork, the lymph node would contain reticular tissue, okay? A reticular meshwork that would be able to form a support, okay? Because the cells present are separate. The lymphocytes here are singly scattered but seen in clusters. Okay? They are separate, singly scattered but seen in clusters. So the meshwork would provide the support for the organ.